Every premium chocolate bar begins its journey inside a world-class chocolate factory. Only the finest cocoa beans are carefully selected for production.
Every bean is cleaned and inspected before roasting.
Roasting unlocks the rich aroma and signature chocolate flavor.
The roasted beans are cracked to reveal the valuable cocoa nibs.
Grinding transforms cocoa nibs into smooth cocoa liquor. Sugar, milk, and cocoa butter are blended into a perfect recipe.
Refining creates the silky texture loved around the world.
In just seconds, each chocolate bar is wrapped with precision, protecting its freshness while giving it the premium appearance customers recognize around the world.